Today we want to show you the tree that we have chosen for the Oklahoma Proven program for 2022, and that is the ginkgo. This is a fun tree. I love it. It's one of my favorites. It's kind of a unique tree because it is one of a kind. So the genus is ginkgo and the species is Ginkgo biloba, and that's it. There is no other species within the genus ginkgo. The other cool thing about this is they have found fossils of the leaves that date back to what they think is maybe 150 million years ago. It is a native to China, so it's not a native of ours, but it is a very tough tree. It tolerates a wide variety of soil conditions. It's a great urban or street tree because it tolerates compacted soils and dry soils quite well. Just really needs well-drained soils, or pretty well-drained soils. You don't want it sitting in water. But other than that, this is a pretty tough tree, pretty much pest-free, good, clean, beautiful foliage. It's called biloba because if you look at the leaf, you can see that it's kind of split in two, creating two lobes. It's a nice fan-shaped leaf, and the veins of the leaves are almost parallel to each other. So it's bright green during the summer. And then in the fall, it actually turns a bright yellow color, which is really cool. Now, this is a dioecious tree, meaning there's a male and female form of the tree. It's usually a good idea to choose a male form to avoid the nasty fruit that the female can produce. They're actually a large, fleshy cone, and when they fall, when they ripen and fall to the ground, they're really stinky and messy. So usually it's a good idea to choose one that we know is a male form of the species. If you go into the garden center and just buy a Ginkgo biloba or ginkgo, or it's also called maidenhair tree, and there's no designation of what it could be, you may not know what it is until it matures like 15, 20 years later. I mean, it takes a long time for it to mature, which is another thing that's kind of nice about this tree to some degree, is it's very slow grower. This tree here that we're standing under, it's been in here for at least 25 years, and I'm guessing it's probably only about 30 feet tall now. So it's a slow grower, which again can be a plus or a minus. Because it's slow, you don't really have to worry much about it getting out of control and really have to worry about pruning it or anything like that. So if you're looking for a great tree that is easy to grow, trouble-free, has wonderful summer foliage and really bright yellow fall color, then this might be a great tree for you.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.